I'm playing on a very inexpensive guitar here. This is a, wait a minute, I got a tuner clipped on here. There we go. This is an IYV guitar. Emerald green. Not bad looking flame on top of that. Not bad looking at all. Obviously I'm doing a quick review of it here. You might notice on the bridge that you see screw heads on both sides. Actually on one side those are bolts, which makes it a little hard to intonate. This thing's almost perfectly intonated, but the D string, I was fiddling around with it, having a hard time getting those things to quite get it, but it's not bad. It's not bad, and I'm selling it, by the way. You know, I actually like it. I like having it lying here, but you know, you might have noticed I have a couple of guitars around. You know, if you've seen my other videos that are facing a different direction, there's a couple, so it's kind of, I'd like to be able to use all my furniture. But anyway, what interested me in this guitar was it has what are called, I've forgotten the name of it, oh yes, Destiny CNC wound pickups, which are also found on the AIO Wolf guitars, which go for like $500, and these are like $150. And, you know, they look really nice, those AIO Wolf guitars. I mean, this looks nice, but you know, they put a lot of bling on those and a little abalone stuff and all that kind of thing. And they use the same pickups. And the demos I've seen sound great. And this sounds great to me. I'm just playing this through Blackstar ID Core Stereo 10. And sounds like a Les Paul. I did have it plugged in side by side with my Les Paul, and the Les Paul's a little louder, a little more powerful. But, you know, turn up the gain a little bit. I like the so-called rhythm pickup for my leads. I was hearing that's, who was saying that about Slash? This one maybe I could raise this guy up a little bit. Slash, I guess, plays his leads on rhythm pickup and rhythm on the so-called lead pickup, which is the higher, squeakier one. So it plays great. Only quibble about the way it plays is that the wood could be maybe a little smoother. You don't really hear that too much, but sometimes when I'm vibrating or bending, a little more up here as I go up too. It's just not quite, you know, as liquid feeling as it might be. Otherwise, you know, I just feel a little bit of rub, but it's not bad at all, not bad at all. And let's see. You've got your kind of standard, inexpensive tuners on there, but they do the job. Hadn't played it for a couple of days and it was pretty out of tune, but it holds through a session here. This is my second video. Let's see, is it still in tune? Feeling country there. See, how about the combination? Nice guitar for decently cheap here. I've got, I'm going to be listing this on eBay pretty shortly, but God, if I had infinite space and money, I would just keep this lying around. I'd play it on stage. Might replace that bridge. It's a bit of a pain. Sounds okay though. IYV. A lot of people think it's IV, so some people may have it listed as IV too. Oh, Let's try a little distortion on it though, huh? Time out. Excuse me. Let's see. I'll just turn it to the crunch channel on this amp here. Let's see how we do with that. Kind of stick with the blues maybe. That just sounds like the same thing louder. Let's see. Let's go crazy. That's all the way over here. Little Blackstar. So now I'm plugged into my big Blackstar. It's the like Core. I don't know if it's Core or not. It's ID 60 with TVP, which is textured vegetable protein. No, it's something like True Volve Loud as Hell. That's what P stands for, Loud as Hell. Anyway, and this is simulating a 6L6 tube amp, supposedly. I have no complaints about this neck. Move it down to treble. Let's try just a moderate crunch. Excuse me 1 second. I'll go out of frame. Go over here. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. See how that crunchy. Ooh, excuse me. Again, not bad sounding. Hopefully lives up to the demos I've seen with the AIO Wolves that use the same pickups, the